intentions. Today I'm going to share something with you that I put together for myself a very long time ago. If you don't believe in tapping into the mind, meditation, or the benefits of affirmations, or if your trading has no room left for improvement, please thumbs down this video and close it immediately. For those of you who are struggling with discipline, self-control, managing your emotions, please put on some headphones and enjoy. You are a disciplined trader. You are in control and focused at all times. You are calm and patient. You are humble and respect the markets. Tread cautiously, but with confidence. Cocky degenerates are part of the 90%. You are part of the 10%. Sit on your hands and snipe with a kill shot. Be selective for that one good trade. The markets move slow. Don't jump the gun. Your job is to react, not to predict. There is nobody standing over your shoulder. You are your own boss. Would you fire yourself for trading this way? Day trading is a serious business. This is a dream job with unlimited potential. Would you rather work in a cubicle? Be mindful. Never be careless. Always be self-aware. And most importantly, always give a fuck. Consistency is an equity curve that is a slow stair climb. As few trades as possible. Pushing and pressing leads to emotions, bad decisions, and impulse trades. This is a marathon, not a race. You are at your best with 2 to 3 trades a day. History has proven this over and over. The plan is 2R, all or nothing. This is pure probabilities. Don't be greedy. Don't get rattled out. Remember Tesla and remember Weight Watchers. Long term, large enough sample size, the math will take care of itself. There are 3 outcomes in a day. 1 and done and plus 2R. 1 for 2 and plus 1R. Or 0 for 2 and minus 2R. 1 hour a day is 20 hours a month. This is consistency. Everything else is boom and bust trading. If you aren't satisfied with 2 hours a day, you aren't happy with 40 hours a month. 1 and done in the first 10 minutes is a job well done. Pack it up and go enjoy your life. You deserve it. Amateurs give back a week worth of gains in a day. Gamblers keep trading after reaching goal. Remember the days you went from goal to max loss. Noobs do this and hate themselves afterwards. Remember the regret. Overtrading leads to being emotional. Overtrading leads to addictiveness and compulsiveness. Do not relapse. Overtrading leads to the hulk. Your equity curve will have wild, erratic swings. Why would you watch the markets if you're done for the day? Do you prefer $3 in commissions or $300? Accept the red day or small green day. Tomorrow is another day. We live to trade another day. Fighting for green results in high commissions and wasting your time. Don't force trades. The unintentional no trade challenge is something to be proud of. Black is better than red. Taking garbage trades is like throwing away your money. We want to have good trades that don't work out. Not embarrassing trash. Do not FOMO or chase. Impulse trades leads to money leaving your account. Don't piss away hard-earned gains on a shitty trade. It takes seconds to destroy hours of work. Be aware of the time and cognizant of the patterns that we are looking for. If you've made it this far, then I still have your attention. So this is a recording that I used to listen to often. I would listen to this in the morning while building my watch list. Many of you may share some of those difficulties that I used to have. I hope this is an inspiration for you to do the same. To write down your issues. Write down your problems. Record yourself a note. Give yourself a message. When it's done in your own voice, it's more powerful because you are speaking to yourself. As much as I can give advice, or you can take advice from others, you are the only one who can make change in your trading.